friends, I'm Bo. Let's get our brains and bodies ready to read. Do you love letters? Yes, I do too. Do you know something neat about letters? Every letter has a big letter and a small letter. Do you want to meet a letter today? Okay, let's meet the letter M. These words start with M. Mice, marshmallow, milk. Mice, marshmallow, milk. I'll start with M. Great job! Would you like to draw the letter M with me? Yes? Okay. Which one would you like to draw first? The big M or the little m? Okay, let's draw the big M first. Draw a line up, now a line down. Do this again, now let's spin. Great job drawing the big M. Now let's draw the little m. Remember, it's much smaller. Draw a line, now draw two bumps. Great job, friends, let's do that again. Draw a line, now draw two bumps. Great job, friends, now let's jump. Do you remember the letter we met today? That's right, the letter M. Thanks for learning and moving with us. Bye for now.